everyone, welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am participating, I'm going to look down at my phone here, at the Outdoor Christmas Porch DIY Decor Challenge. And this challenge has been issued by two lovely ladies, Measure and Mix and Miss V. Guys, these ladies are awesome. Please go by and check out their channels. You will love them. Now, the requirements for this challenge is that you do a DIY for it, as well as show your porch, the before, as well, of course, the after. Now, guys, I'm gonna have to show you pics of my before, because when I told my husband about this challenge, he got excited and I discovered him already decorating the front porch. He got ahead of me. But the pics that I'm going to show you, we had our fall decor up on the front porch and we immediately started decorating for Christmas. So these are the pics of the before. Alright guys, here's what we're going to do for our front porch. Hubby and I, we went and looked at Hobby Lobby at the wreaths, but we found the deal at Michael's. This is a, what size wreath? Do you know what size this is? It's huge.
This is a...
Does it say?
Yeah, 60 inch.
A 60-inch wreath, alright? And what we're going to do, I'm going to decorate this wreath, I guess. We'll see how far we go with it. Hubby is holding a bow here. It's already made. And this is the DIY portion, guys, of this video. Don't know if I'll do any more. We're going to wrap this wreath with some ribbon here. And we have the garland that we also found at Michael's. Backing up here so you can see it. And we're going to decorate this front porch of ours. So stay tuned. Now we found this garland at Michael's for $4. I don't think it's thick. I know it's not thick. So we're probably going to end up putting two together. We'll see.
Take it off. But I don't know by the time you
fluff it.
I think you're still going to need two together.
Alright guys, make sure you fluff your garland. That's what we're doing here. Making sure it's straight and not flat. And this is way cheaper than buying a thick, because we only paid $4 a pack for this garland here. So $8, and it makes it thicker. I will share with you my front porch for this Christmas season 2018. I hope you enjoy, you be inspired, and be blessed. And here's the after, guys. Now, I still have some things to do out here. But I'm going to take you in for a closer look. First chance, I'll have my hubby move these crotons and my almost dead mums to another area. I have them on each side here. They will be moved, and I will put something else there. My welcome sign remained, and I may do a little something to that as well. So you have to come back to see what I change up on here. My blessed mat and my black and white check remained, and that was the theme out here this year, with the black and white with touches of red. Here are my topiaries that I already had. They light up. I placed them in this urn here that I will be filling with something because I don't want any surprises or little friends hiding in there once I break this down. And then I made a bow down there. I need practice on my bows. You've been watching me, you already know, but it will do since it's outside. Those wreaths I had already. I picked them up from Family Dollar a couple of years ago. And I usually place them on my fireplace, but I've been doing that for several years. So I decided to, a couple of years, so I decided to bring them out and put them on my doors. But this was my hubby's idea to purchase this huge wreath that we purchased from Michael's, as well as the garland, and run it all the way down this arch. The bow came from Christmas tree shops, and we love the look. Now the only thing is, we thought about it, we're gonna probably, we'll see, light this up if we can get brave enough to go back up on the ladder. So guys, this is my front porch, the entrance to my home. I hope you've been inspired. Please come back because I will be tweaking this just a smidge. Not quite like I want it yet, but yeah, this is pretty much how it looks now, and I'm loving it so far. Well guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please go over to Measure and Mix and Miss V's channel. I will also link their channels in my description box down below, as well as a playlist. I am sure you will be wowed by all of the creativity you will see on this playlist. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, what are you waiting on? I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by simply pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, when you subscribe to the channel, to click that notification bell up top there so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.